Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm sorry. I have to record this meeting. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening to
Where is the other? Here we have. Where is the other? Oh yeah.
Wanita itu kah?
Okay.
Here we have Karmani.
Karmani.
Hello. Karmani. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Karmani, you have listened my voice? Karmani? Karmani? Halo, Panik. Mic-nya belum hidup, Panik. Dihidupkan dulu mic-nya untuk bicara. Halo? Panik, selamat Panik.
Ya, selamat malam, Kakak.
Suara saya didengar bagus, Kak Panik?
Lumayan, sudah, Kakak. Aman.
Oke.
Suaranya jelas. Ya.
Oke, terima kasih.
Saya jadi pendengar setia.
Yes.
Okay.
Aku meninggalin.
Seems that Karmani have left this meeting. Maybe she got trouble with her signal. Here we have our senior, Vincent Rimbun. Vincent, good evening, Vincent.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, we have a candidate of debate here, Rinjani. Rinjani?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to show your video, please?
Okay.
Yeah, here Rinjani.
Okay, Kindra Karmani.
Okay. And here we have Karmani, Kindra Fania. What's your nickname, Karmani?
He used his brother. He used her brother his account.
Yes.
But how I call you? Fiani? Fanny?
Fanny apa?
Fania. Okay, Fania. We have here Alfred. Okay, Alfred.
Hai, siapa kalian?
Okay, I'd like to tell something that I have test COVID, and it is 2 times, and I free from COVID, but my wife got spread by COVID, so I cannot go to school, and we conduct our meeting online like this, and I will record each meeting, every meeting. Today my plan is our senior we will accompany us to this process, but at another occasion I would like to invite teacher from Java. We have a teacher from Java. I have contact Mr. Suci from Kudus, and he want to join us, but later after this. But before to talking too much, I really like after this meeting. I mean this meeting, I would like Vincent Rimbun. Vincent, I would like Vincent looking for your partner of debate. Mungkin adik-adiknya Vincent ada yang di tingkat 1 atau tingkat 2, bisa dijadikan partner debat kalian untuk latihan. That is what I mean after this meeting. Mudah-mudahan Vincent bisa membantu. Could you, Vincent? Jangan yang tingkat atas, Vincent. Tingkat 1, tingkat 2.
Halo Pak, ini kebetulan besok kami tingkat prodi ada debat bahasa Inggris juga, jadi saya rasa saya bisa. Karena saya lihat peserta yang kami punya kemarin itu ada 30-an lebih yang daftar. Mungkin saya bisa ajak salah satu.
Halo, Vincent.
Halo, am I audible?
Maybe my connection, Vincent. I will try to go to another place. Vincent, your audio.
Am I audible?
Yes. Better than before. Please, your mic.
Yeah.
Your mic. Please talking. What do you want to say?
Kebetulan besok kami ada kegiatan debat bahasa Inggris juga tingkat prodi, dan peserta ada 30 lebih. Saya rasa saya bisa ajak mereka mungkin besok lusa untuk ikut.
Boleh ya Pak Vincent ya. Saya nanti ketentukan waktu debatnya. Topiknya sama, online, online learning. Debat dengan adik-adik ini tidak akan ditentukan hasilnya, tapi ini just to apa namanya? Kalau boleh Vincent sendiri yang jadi host ya.
Siapa nanti disesuaikan?
Nanti disesuaikan, ditentukan jadwalnya untuk topik yang kita diskusi malam ini. But before going to talking to arrange this meeting, I would like starting from Rinjani. What do you have learned from online meeting? Firstly, keep your position as a contra side of opposition side. So, what is online meeting according to you? If you are stay on opposition side, please, Rinjani.
Thanks to Mr. Juan. I wanted to bring my opinion about the online learning. I'm not agree with online learning because of some of the material we can understand just if a teacher just share about the PDF or document like that. We can understand more if the teacher can bring me the come out his opinion like that. Thank you.
Okay, that's only the first. What the idea do you want to say?
I'm not agree with the online learning because I can understand with material if I just want to say in computer like that. I need more.
You don't understand.
Yeah.
If it is happen just online.
Yeah.
But it is not debate, Rinjani. You need to underline. You need to realize that you are going to debate with another people. So you need more reference. For example, you say that So I'm sorry that I disagree with online meeting because it is less attention. For example, while teacher teach something through computer device, the student maybe not in their place. They just keep their device on. After that, they go to another place. That is why it is just for example. For example, first, less attention. Second, for example, you would like to say that it is, for example, what to say, uh, online teaching. Teaching is not only about the knowledge. It is about the interaction and the culture in school. It is, for example, you need to give your opinion. Don't say from your only subjective method. Yeah. Okay. That is, I mean. So I give you a chance again. Just a note. What do you want to argue here? So at the last of this meeting, we will give you some ideas. What really need when someone say that it is to say, I disagree with online learning. Second, okay, Rinjani, you may keep your mic off, and then I will going to Kindra.
Thank you.
Kindra,
Thank you.
okay. Please, your mic need to be on before you are talking. On your mic. Your mic still mute, and you need to. Okay, that's good. Okay, Kindra, I would like to ask you, when you are stay on opposition side, what do you say? Do you want to say to your uh, your partner of debate about online learning? Please, your mic.
Um, my I'm talk with my partner debate. Just we have one group.
Yes, you are in one group. Now I would like to explore your idea. Saya ingin menggali ide kalian. Kalau kalian stand, when you are stand on opposition. Bayangkan kau sekarang berada di opposition and with online learning. What do you want to say?
Um, I want to say I'm agree with.
No,
This-
disagree.
I disagree with online learning because it's first not all students have technology, have facility of technology, and it's not really help because we just learn about material and not have practice to prove and make students know more about the material.
Okay, so you want to say that sometimes online teaching only concern on transfer the knowledge, not practice what we have learned. Do you agree with what I say?
Yes.
The first, not all students have facility. They have no device. Not all. So it is hard to conduct online meeting. This is your first thesis, yeah? Do you agree? Okay, if it is your thesis, you need to explain this thesis. From my, for example, I have some reading for some newspaper, reading some, for example, I have reading Kompas in. Kalau kamu menyampaikan satu tesis, you need to prove it. Kamu harus membuktikannya. It is debate, yeah, it is debate. I have reading from Kompas, I have reading from here, I have heard information from Facebook, and I have many of my friends tell to me directly what they say about hard to get device from another, or hard to borrow a device from another, or hard to buy device like phone, like computer from another. So this is that is, I mean, yeah, okay. You starting from say it again, your thesis, then prove it. Okay. The second, when you say, I disagree with this because it is only theory, you need to give argumentation. Yeah, give your argumentation. Okay. Please, Chandra. Fania, I mean.
My first thing is that before I say, I don't agree with online learning, online class, because not all students have facility of technology. And for example, I have some friends on my class don't have a facility of technology. Then they're hard to borrow it, because when we have like class meeting like and my friends have to borrow some phone or computer, they have to borrow or their sister or their brother or their parents. But in this time, they their family is not half on their place, and then has in the house and just alone, and he or she don't know what wanna do, and this makes so very effective for some people.
Okay. Next, I would like to check Alfred. Alfred, are you there, Alfred? Hello, Alfred. Alfred, are you there? Hello, Alfred. Alfred, are you there? I would like to go to Rinjani again. Rinjani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to argue your opinion about this online learning again? Please state it.
Okay. Thank you. I would like to come out my opinion again. I disagree with the online learning, because student can understand with the materials teacher bring to our. For example, I have friends. He just say, I don't agree with it material, but he not effort to come in the material to our brain like that. He just copy paste in the Google, and this character not not good uh, for me like that. He not he not can fight to in the future. If he just have a character like that, he just can't copy and paste in their book, and I say this is not good character to behave like that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I would like to go to Alfred. Alfred, hello, Alfred. Okay, come on, Alfred. Give your opinion, Alfred. If you are stay in opposition, and then I would like to hear your opinion about online learning. Please, Alfred. No, Alfred, before you are uh, going to give your opinion, I like your mic need to be unmute. Your mic, Alfred, need to be unmute. Unmute your mic first. Your mic still unmute. Unmute your mic. Ada gambar mic di situ, Alfred, in your device. Okay, that's good. Okay. See.
Okay. Thank you for giving time to me. Okay. I think the online learning. Okay, I'm sorry. I agree with the online learning
No,
because
disagree. I'm sorry, Alfred. You are disagree.
I disagree with the online learning because I think the online learning will make the students to be lazy because I think the online learning because the online learning will make students to more use the medias another than their thinking. So they will it will make the students to be lazy to the thinking.
That's all, Alfred.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Okay. Now I would like to hear maybe Vincent Rimbun give your comment on your younger brother, or you may give tambahan amunisi pengetahuan. Why should we reject online learning? Okay. Please, silakan, Vincent. After that, Vivek. Your mic, Vincent. Vincent? Hello, Vincent? No, your mic still unmute. Still mute. I mean, you need. Okay. Please, you may to give comment. Mungkin mau beri komentar kekurangan, kelemahan, kelebihan, or you need to give another opportunity, another knowledge. Kira-kira kalau mereka stand sebagai opposition begitu, what should they say? Okay, please, Vincent.
Baik, selamat malam. Apakah suara saya dengar?
Yes, Vincent.
Baik, terima kasih, Pak. Ini saya tidak tahu ini sistem debatnya pakai sistem apa, Pak?
It is ASEAN Parliamentary.
Oh, ya. Terima kasih, Pak. Ini saya sudah dengar tadi yang pertama dari Dede Rinjani, kemudian dari Alfred, kemudian dari siapa satu. Halo, am I audible?
Silakan, masih.
Oh, ini berdasarkan apa yang tadi saya dengar, saya ada beberapa saran. Yang pertama, biasanya dalam debat itu waktunya banyak gitu. Jadi
Yes, yes.
yang pertama, semua halo, am I audible?
Yes, 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 yes.
Baik.
We still here.
Yang pertama tentu harus persiapkan diri, kemudian biasanya dalam debat, untuk yang sekarang kami sering lihat dan kami ikuti di sini, biasanya itu motionnya itu biasanya adalah isu-isu yang terbaru dan isu-isu yang teraktual, dan
Yes,
itu
yes.
dan biasanya itu kadang-kadang akan muncul yang isu-isu yang tidak bisa, yang unexpected isu, seperti misalnya kasus agama, kasus politik, bahkan kasus apapun, semua kasus-kasus yang terbaru. Jadi yang pertama harus baca-baca banyak berita yang terbaru, kemudian berkaitan dengan memberikan pendapat. Menurut saya, dalam memberikan pendapat, kalau misalnya Anda sebagai seorang oposisi, tentunya Anda harus punya alasan yang kuat. Yang pertama tadi
Yes.
Pak pernah bilang bahwa tesisnya itu harus kuat, gitu.
Yes.
Tesisnya itu harus kuat. Kemudian baru diberikan alasan-alasan yang memperkuat argumen tersebut. Kemudian dalam memberikan pendapat tersebut harus ada referensi juga. Yang tadi Pak Su bilang, yang tadi Pak bilang, Pak Sular, ya, misalnya begini, dalam memberikan pendapat, yang pertama harus cari dari sumber-sumber, misalnya dari dari koran, dari TV, dari Facebook. Itu karena itu ada nilai tambah untuk Anda sebagai pembicara. Karena misalnya begini, uh, misalnya tentang online learning, misalnya I totally disagree with this motion because online learning is gave us some disadvantages for the students. There are some reasons why we disagree with this motion. Saya ulangi, halo, am I audible?
Saya tadi sempat keluar.
Ya. Oke, saya lanjut Pak, saya lanjutkan. Dalam memberikan argumen, misalnya begini, motionnya adalah online learning gitu. Sebagai seorang oposisi, maka hal pertama yang Anda bilang bahwa we as the opposition totally disagree with this motion because online learning gave some disadvantages for the students. There are some reasons why we disagree with this motion. Kemudian yang tadi saya bilang harus ada sumber yang misalnya begini, based on Kompas Research begitu. Kemudian atau based on Facebook, based on bla 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 research. Alasannya pertama adalah ini, alasan kedua itu. Baru kemudian setelah itu Anda memberikan argumen Anda. Seperti yang begitu. Karena kalau Anda pendapat Anda banyak berasal dari sumber-sumber, dari referensi-referensi, maka poinnya itu sangat kuat gitu.
Oke. Halo?
Kira-kira begitu, Pak.
Oke, terima kasih Vincent. Maybe dari Vivik? Vivik? Halo Vivik? Vivik have left. Oh ya, Vivik? Vivik? Your mic still off. Please unmute your mic. Vivik? Halo Vivik, your mic still unmute. Still mute. Please unmute your mic. Unmute. Ada gambar apa namanya, gambar mic di laptop atau di apa itu, tekan itu. To unmute your mic. Okay, please, baby, your comment or anything to your
about the Mr. I would like to ask to you, apakah ini untuk pengalaman apa about the topics about the online teaching?
No, Vivek, you just give your comment. Tadi kan kamu sudah nonton itu debat adik-adikmu. You just give comment on your their ability in speaking English. Maybe also ingin menambahkan ide kalau mereka stand sebagai oposisi itu bagaimana mestinya melakukan debat. Katakan tadi mereka tidak setuju online learning, mereka harus gimana? Begitu.
Oh, baik, Mister. Yang saya dengar tadi tentang online teaching dari Ade siapa ya? Tunggu dulu. Dari Kiandra Karmani, bahwa dia itu memberikan opini tentang learning teaching. Saya pikir tentang online teaching in this era, the topic is very hard to discuss about the learning teaching. Why? Because in this corona situation, the learning teaching is very hard to discuss karena situasinya yang tidak mendukung untuk pembelajaran mahasiswa maupun siswa-siswi yang ada di sekolah-sekolah yang ada di Indonesia. Saya pikir online teaching itu sangat tidak mendukung untuk kegiatan-kegiatan di sekolah karena the student cannot understand all about the theory in this school because without the practice the theory directly, the situation is make very make the student is very difficult to understand all about the learning teaching. But sometimes I agree with the learning teaching above because we can get information about all the used to social media. About social media, we can get all of information in social media about the learning teaching, about the theory. All we can get all in the media social. We cannot only get about the Instagram or Facebook or the others maybe, but for the theory about the meeting Zoom, mereka bisa mengerti tentang cara menggunakan itu begitu. Ya. Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, I think that's all. Yes, Mister. I think that's all.
Thank you very much, Vincent dan Baby. Kita masih satu sesi lagi untuk kalau mereka berdiri sebagai apa? Berdiri sebagai apa namanya? Sebagai pro, bagaimana mereka? Okay, it is interesting to revolt what Vincent said, that when you are going to debate, you need to first consent on your thesis. Thesis is someone point of view. Jadi thesis itu adalah point of view kalian. For example, sir, not sir, but we are disagree. I myself disagree with online learning from educational point of view. Ini contoh pertama. For several reasons. First, when you are talking, gitu kalian mengatakan saya tidak sepakat online learning. Itu kalian tesis, itu namanya tesis. Tesis. After the thesis, you need to give preview. And you need to give preview. For several, when I say that for several reasons, it is I give preview. First, from psychological aspect, lack of concentration. Second, from building character aspect. Ini misalnya saya bilang begini, when I disagree with online learning from educational point of view. First, because students lack attention on online meeting and teacher cannot control them. Siswa bisa saja kurang perhatiannya dan guru tidak bisa mengendalikan mereka. They can manipulate any device. When they are going to Zoom meeting, they just say to teachers, teacher, our signal here is so bad, so we are skip off our camera, please. Begitu mereka tutup kameranya, they go to the toilet, they go to anywhere, and they left the tools alone with a teacher without attending the class to learn. They just join the online class just to. Ini contohnya. Kedua, ketika kau bilang, when we are talking about education, we are talking about culture. We are getting knowledge easily from Google, from anywhere, and we don't need school to get only the knowledge. But remember, we are going to school to be educated, not only in terms of knowledge, but character and social emotional. Itu contoh yang lain. And online learning just able to facilitate the theory, not the interaction, whole interaction. Guru tidak bisa menegur siswanya karena dia tidak tahu situasinya. Apakah dia lagi bicara dengan sopan atau tidak? Apakah dia sedang chatting dengan pacar atau tidak? Dia tidak bisa mengontrol guru. And that's why it is a lack of character, lack of concern on character and so on. Ini contoh. Atau kamu mau bilang, misalnya dari, sir, we are disagree with social with online learning from social impact. Bisa, because we know that internet it is talking about good thing and bad thing. When our student in Manggarai, for example, give access to them, to there, and they are new learner, new user of media social and so on, they may get access to bad thing like porn link, like in one side we are going to about technology, but the other side it lead them to bad thing like bad link like porn, beauty. Di samping dari social impact-nya, pertama siswa bisa dituntun ke arah teknologi, tapi juga bisa diarah juga ke hal-hal yang buruk pada pergaulan yang tidak sehat, and so on. It is a social impact. And the second, misalnya, I disagree with this thing because jadi ada tesisnya, ada preview. Kalian sebut preview di awal. Setelah itu pembuktian. In pembuktian, you need to read more reference. Kalian butuh baca banyak referensi. Carinya itu, cari saja disadvantages of online learning di Google. Kalian baca. Apa sih disatensi? Kalian list mulai sekarang. Karena topik online learning ini akan dibawakan. Ada beberapa topik, makanya kenapa saya mulai ngomong online learning dulu. Kan itu topik pertama. Itu how many topic we have? 6 ya, 6 topic maybe. One of them is online learning, dan kita sudah what? Green Fania, how many topic we have? Halo, Fanny? Halo? How many? Berapa dek, Fania?
Yes. We have 5 topics, sir.
5 topic. One of them is online learning. Of course, you need to learn
education and health. 5.
Yes, you want to say something?
Yes.
Fania, you want to say something? No? Okay, now we are going to affirmative side. Kalian sekarang setuju dengan agree with online learning. So from the first person, I would like starting from Kinra. What do you think stand on government side? What do you want to say? Please, Kinra. About online learning, when you are agree with online learning. Kinra, before I turn the mic to you, please unmute your mic first. Unmute dulu. Mic kalian, mic-mu di unmute dulu, Fania.
No, sir.
Okay. No, still unmute.
I don't want to say anything. Just
good.
talk about the topic before.
It is still unmute. Still unmute, Fania. Fania, itu masih unmute, Fania. Unmute dulu. Sorry. Ya, unmute dulu. Halo? Maybe Fania's signal getting worse. So
koneksi, Pak.
Iya. So I start from first. Hello, Rinjani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please argue when you are stay on government side.
Thank you for give me a time to come out my opinion. I'm agree with learning online learning, because the online learning can make we to curiosity. Yes, can give me to have a thinking about the curiosity. In this area, we must do edibility like that. We can must to our school, and this pandemic and this condition make our students or teachers to creative teaching. To our students, we can to learn about the new technology, about the new model of learning like that. We can to search many model even before like offline learning like that. This character for me so good, and we need to in the future like that, about the ability and curiosity, and this pandemic give our to have have a character like that. Thank you.
Okay, Alfred. Alfred. Hello, Alfred. Are you there? Alfred, are you there? Hello, Alfred. Okay, please, Alfred.
Okay, I will tell my opinion. I think I agree with the online learning because I think the online learning can help students to we follow the lessons from the school during this pandemic. We know all the schools in Indonesia can't make the face-to-face learning because this pandemic. I think this is a good way for it. Thank you.
Okay, that's only.
Yes.
Okay. We have lost Karmani here, but maybe Vincent want to add some information, want to comment what they are saying about.
Oke. Bisa dengar, Pak?
Ya, bisa Vincent.
Baik, terima kasih. Ini berkaitan dengan tim pro ya.
Pro. When they are
Pertama dari segi teknis itu saya lihat banyak sekali buang-buang waktu, Pak. Maksudnya bukan buang waktu, maksudnya banyak sekali waktu tersisa tapi tidak digunakan dengan baik. Karena saya tidak tahu sistem Asia, tapi kalau misalnya pakai sistem British itu ada 7 menit untuk setiap peserta.
Sama, 7 menit. 7 menit. 7 minutes. For its Asia
jadi
juga.
Yang pertama itu sebagai tim pro itu sebenarnya keuntungan ada di tim pro. Keuntungan pertama. Karena yang pertama itu untuk tim pro, misalnya pembicara pertama, maka sebelum mulai ke argumen, Anda berikan dulu sedikit brief definisi tentang topik tentang motion yang dibawa. Misalnya tentang online learning, maka Anda jelaskan dulu sedikit misalnya based on Oxford Dictionary, online learning is bla bla bla, definisinya itu seperti apa. Gitu. Sebelum Anda masuk ke argumen Anda. Kemudian setelah Anda memberikan pengertian tersebut, baru Anda masuk ke argumen Anda tentang apa keuntungan dari online learning. Nah, sebelum Anda memberikan opini Anda sendiri, di sini Anda harus lihat yang tadi Pak bilang dari media ini, berdasarkan dari itu, dari ini, keuntungan online learning adalah sebagai berikut. Itu kemudian setelah itu baru pendapat Anda sendiri. Kemudian di menit-menit akhir Anda berikan sedikit summarize tentang kenapa Anda pro dengan ini motion begitu.
Okay, thank you very much, Vincent. We have Fania here. Fania, you have got lost just several minutes ago. Now I would like you, Fania, stand as government side. And what do you want to say about online learning when you are in government side?
Okay, before I tell about my own opinion, this I wanna be, I wanna tell a little background because with the current condition, wait a minute.
Yes, yes. You still here?
Okay,
Okay.
wait, wait. Because with the current pandemic condition, this is very helpful where school us from the learn and we have its own benefit without us knowing it. So that's
Okay.
minimize the minimize the spread of the virus, which is increasingly prevalent among teachers, student also in school residents.
Okay. That's all.
I have moral again and student student to become it should has helping students to become independent or not. If they are not dependent on the teacher by student, they can study on their own or research via internet. Well, and talk about students learning that we what I did in the middle to of last January when I have give assignment for my teacher. I look for material review for internet because there was not the time explained regarding by the teacher. This alone proves that we can learn independent or not to be dependent and always independent on.
Okay, that's all, Fania.
Yes, that's all.
Okay, Vivek, you may want to give comment or additional information to your junior. Vivek, are you there, Vivek? Vivek? Hello, Vivek?
Yes, Mr. Sorry, the connection is not supportive the situation, Mr.
Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention tonight. But I still agree with what Vincent said. You have a lack of reference. Kalian kurang membaca sebelum tampil malam ini. So that you can go with another possibility how to talk from different side, from one side to another side. It is really that when you are in government side, kalian punya kesempatan, you have a chance to speak long. You starting from definition, you starting from example. You may use Facebook to do online learning. You may use Zoom to do online learning. Online learning is when we are going, example, just needed an internet and so on. You starting from a definition, you starting from kind of learning. You say that it is in online learning, you may use synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous when you are meeting with video, asynchronous when you are going to LMS, learning management system. It is just for example, yeah. For example, you starting from definition, etc. Because the lack of reference, you don't know what is to say about online learning when you are agree. The first online learning, remember the advantages of what online learning is. It is a student can learn from everywhere. From everywhere, mereka bisa belajar dari mana saja. You can give any example when student got a special situation, for example, they have to go to hospital because of they got something or and so on. They can learn from hospital. They can learn from anywhere. Second, online learning cannot be limited in some tools. Online learning cannot be limited by time. When we are going on maybe conventional class, there is a time. Mr. Juan come from 7 o'clock and end at 9 o'clock. That is a time. But when you are online learning, maybe in Facebook, you can discuss until you really understand what Mr. Juan says. And when you are going, for example, to Mr. Juan blogs or YouTubes or and so on, you can watch time and many time to do it. That's why I think that you have you need to read much. Kamu harus baca banyak ya. I don't understand also online learning. That's why I send to you some link. Saya mengirim beberapa. Saya juga belum baca ya. Tapi sekitar itu kira-kira. Saya some links to learn. Please before going to the real debate, perkayakan, enrich yourself by reading in Google using the keywords disadvantages of online learning. Bikin dia punya listnya apa-apa sih ketidakuntungan, disadvantages. Menjaga kalau kalian berada tiba-tiba di kelompok pro, di kelompok kontra. And also advantages of online learning. Silakan baca advantagesnya. Begitu, baca. Second, first and the second sentence, it is really important to keep you to say clearly at the first sentence. Don't say I'm agree, itu kesalahan awal, yang paling awal. Jangan sampai lakukan itu di awal-awal percakapan. Misalnya I'm agree with. Lakukan sebaik mungkin pada kalimat awal. I agree with this, I disagree with this. Setelah itu kalian boleh melakukan kesalahan sedikit. Remember also in your conclusion. So based on those facts, those example, based on those explanation, I need to restressing the opinion that I disagree with because blah blah blah. Ya, itu hati-hati juga di kalimat kesimpulan. Oke. Tomorrow I will sebagai contoh saja ya, kalian boleh memperkaya, tapi saya akan kirimkan di grup karena saya belum ke sekolah. Kalau seandainya kalian berada di kelompok pro, mungkin sampai besok malam, apa-apa saja yang harus kalian katakan. Site-nya dari mana? Misalnya psikologikal, dari psikologinya gimana? Site-nya ke apa-apa ya. Saya bikin list semacam itu. Tetapi begitu kalian mendapatkan itu, please jangan bergantung pada itu. Cari juga referensi yang lain dan bayangkan bahwa kalian benar-benar di kelompok pro. Simulate yourself. Latih. Kalian sudah nonton itu kan yang saya kirim itu, NT yang nonton debat nasional itu? Udah nonton? Yes. Kalau kalian nonton, argumentasinya sangat kuat, sangat clear, sangat reasonable, but we have start at the first night. Kita baru start di hari pertama. Saya minta bantuan Vincent nanti, mungkin cari beberapa teman begitu untuk melatih mereka di topik ini, online learning ini. Boleh Vincent ya?
Nanti saya usahakan, Pak.
Oke, kalau sudah usahakan misalnya 3 orang teman, 2 juga nggak apa-apa.
Semoga mereka bisa meluangkan waktu.
Oke, syukurlah kalau ada yang bersedia. Tidak harus advance, Vincent. Mungkin tingkat 2, tingkat 1 cocok, masih bagus untuk mereka. Kalau terlalu advance juga, saya takut mereka. Gimana Rinjani? Ada usulan?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, silakan.
Okay. This is about the distribution of materials. I have a feeling not good, but can I use Indonesian language?
Oke.
Jadi begini Pak, misalnya nih kita udah bikin list materinya Pak ya, kan kita satu tim tuh bertiga. Nah ternyata di bicara satu, misalnya saya, terus keduanya Fania, yang ketiga Albert, yang ketiga. Mungkin materinya saya itu, saya mungkin mau nanti di kesempatan pertama tuh saya mau ngeluarin semua argumentasi saya, tapi ternyata di materinya Fania juga dia ingin mengeluarkan argumentasi itu Pak. Jadi saya nggak enak untuk mengeluarkan semuanya. Mungkin itu salah satu
makanya Rinjani, makanya itu kenapa saya buat grup, sehingga begitu saya berilis harus klaim, Alfred, misalnya saya Pak mau argumentasi ini nanti, berarti Fania argumentasi yang lain. Kemudian siapa? Rinjani cari argumentasi yang lain. It is not enough if you able to speak English in debate. Tidak cukup jika kalian hanya bisa bicara bahasa Inggris in debate. You need to have many option of argumentation. Harus punya banyak opsi argumentasi. So you can prepare for everything. Belajar disadvantages, belajar kelemahannya, belajar juga keuntungannya. Bikin list and so on. Ya, itu saja. Nanti Vincent untuk itu bisa disiapkan sekitar 2-3 hari ya Vincent ke depan. Supaya mereka disiapkan untuk belajar dulu.
Yes.
Halo Vincent.
Ini mohon maaf Pak, koneksi tidak stabil, saya tidak dengar jelas.
Oke, nanti saya dengar konfirmasinya sekitar 2-3 hari ya Vincent ya.
Ya, nanti saya usahakan Pak.
Kalau boleh host moderatornya, adjudikatornya, bukan adjudikator ya, tidak ada juri ya. Hostnya juga dari Vincent dan kawan-kawan ya.
Iya,
boleh ya. Diatur ya, nanti link saja yang saya bagikan ya. Oke. Terima kasih Vincent, terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih juga Baby, meskipun koneksinya tidak stabil. Terima kasih Rinjani, Fania, Alfred. Mudah-mudahan pertemuan malam ini memacu kalian untuk belajar lagi. Kita punya topik masih sama sampai kita mendapat 8 debat untuk online learning. Setelah itu baru nanti saya pikirkan bagaimana kalau kita debat dengan orang Java. Kebetulan saya sudah hubungi Bu Suci. Bu Suci nanti mohon bantuannya untuk nonton dulu, diskusi dengan mereka dulu, kemudian saya minta bantuan beberapa siswa dari Java. Kalau mereka tidak bersedia ya kita cari yang lain aja ya. Oke, thank you very much for this meeting and see you another time. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Bye.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah.